Hi stylers, welcome back to another video. Now I saw that you love the Walmart Black Friday deals. Now I'm here to share with you the Target deals that they have for Black Friday. If you are new here, I am Renee. I share all things home related. So if you want home decor, DIY, room makeover, shopping videos, I am here to share that with you each week. And today I will be sharing some deals, and you know, in order for the home to look good, we have to shop on deals sometime. We cannot buy everything at straight prices. No, Target has started their Black Friday deals just like Walmart. They have some nice stuff here, and I will be showing you a few sections. So I'll be showing you like the kitchen section, home section, and I will be sharing some flyers that I saw as well. You don't want to skip out any part of this video because you just might miss a deal. And remember, now is the time to start shop for your Christmas gifts, your children toys and so on for the Christmas. Don't wait until December, as I mentioned, when the things get pricey. Start buying them now. Put them down in a corner so that when it's ready near Christmas, you can start wrapping. Now they have some great deals, as you can see here. I will be going in different sections just to see what they have in that section. So let me go over and scroll and search for their home section just to see what they have. Actually, since I'm in the kitchen, let me start with the kitchen section. So kitchen appliances, let me see what they have. Brita water filter 6 cup, $21. Dash mini waffle maker starting at $10. Kitchen 8 cup food chopper, $39.99. It was $54. So far you can see that they have discounted prices. You can get a Keurig water filler, you can get a Keurig coffee maker. They have so many things going on in the kitchen section here. They have hand mixer for $44, toaster Asta toaster for $22. So you can see that they have a few appliances in the kitchen, small appliances going on. Let us check their home section. So their home deals, what are in their home deals? So they have bedding deals, home decor and furniture deals. So let us check out their bedding deals first. They have bed sets, sheets, pillows. They have mattress toppers, quilts. They have a few stuff here in the bedding section. So let me check the bedding and just to see. They have the Earth and Hand collection here. Embroidered comforter starting at $103. Original price is $129. So you know that you're getting a discount off that. 4-piece extra deep pocket microfiber starting at $38. They have quilts starting at $41. Wow, $17. They have some good prices here. They have what this complete reversible solid duvet. Yeah man, some little things are going on in the bedding section. Let me head on over to the other section. So we're checking out their home decor deals here. So they have 20% off rugs. So let us check out their wall decor deals. They have this small hanging one here for $8. They have this 11 by 14 frame for $12.74. You can get a mirror for $141. Wall decor art $15.99. So they have some stuff here. $44 actually for 24 by 24, 24 by 30 for $43, 20 by 20 for $21. This one is Freedom. So if you're into those type of stuff, you can get it. Decorative accessory. In their decorative accessory, lantern starting at $24. They have this olive wreath, $42 clearance price. They have the bunny tail stem, $4. They have this iron standing planter. They have mini artificial eucalyptus, $4. So they have a few stuff here in the home decor section that you can use to decorate your space. And remember, they do delivery as well, so you can always check out their online platform. I will be sharing their flyers as well in a few, but I'm just checking out their online deals here. Let us check out the lighting section. Because you know lighting is important in the home. It's one way to make your home feel cozy, look expensive, look luxurious. So we need lighting. $79 for a 67 inch, a pair for $142, 26 inch for $95 for the pair. So not bad at all. This is two Jameson textured. Okay, $113 for table lamp. This is a set of two as well. Yeah, so they have a few lights in here if these are your style. Let's check out their artificial plants. You know, plant can be expensive sometimes, especially the big ones that you put in the corner of your living room or your bedroom. So they have the 6-pack artificial succulent here for $19.99. So you can get different design succulents in those. You can get small potted grass basket, the same eucalyptus for $4. You can get this artificial olive tree starting at $118.99. Vickerman artificial potted traveler starting at $104. They have large potted grass basket starting at $32. Oh, the wreath again, $42. They have this monstera, $67. So plants, the plant prices aren't bad because that was $129 before. They have this one for $108, which was $129 as well. They have this one, this set for $85. It was $154. So not bad at all. These plant prices aren't bad. You can get something from their online page. I don't know if they're going to have any cheaper prices coming, but these are the deals that start now. So in their throw pillow section, let me see what they have. They Target always have some nice throw pillows as well. They have this 2-pack feather for $39, embroidered square. They have this stripe color black throw pillow as well. This is from the Earth and Ann collection. So that one starts at $16. I'm not going to go over everything. I'm just sharing with you the stuff that are really on the front page of their online platform. So these are some of the stuff that you can get. Those are some fall cushions as well, 16 by 12. So these aren't some bad stuff that you can get. 20 by 20 for $27. I normally use cushion covers. I don't really use the pillows because you have too much storage, and I don't have much storage in my small space, as you know. In their mirror section, 32 by 20, $97. They have this one for $141, originally $166. They have this Beckham round mirror gold, $57. Muse Lady 70-inch height for $379, originally $399. Caroline or Caroline, $298. So if you're looking for some mirrors for your vanity, standing mirrors, $123 for this full length floor mirror. They have some specials on their mirror as well. That one is $169. That was $169. You get it for $88 now. So head on over to their online page and check out their mirrors as well. So they have a few stuff here in the mirror section that you can come on and check out on their online platform. So where else we are going to check? Let us scroll down and see what they have here. So as you can see, they have 40% off Christmas trees as well. So they have different deals in different categories. So as I mentioned, you guys can always check out their online page. We're going to check out their kitchen storage sale then, and just to see what they have in the storage section. Rubbermaid 6-piece food storage. They have Rubbermaid 34-piece, $24. So if you're looking for containers, remember we can't get enough of containers. These are great gifts that you can purchase as well. 8-piece pantry container set, $46. 28 pieces, $36. So you can always check out their storage section just to buy these as gift. So they have this Power XL 5-quart as well. They have the Cuisinart air fryer, $129. They have this Asta rice cooker thingy, $15. Air fryer again, $29. They have this 8-quart one for $89. The air fryer deals are going. These are some great gifts. I have a Black & Decker one almost 5 years now, or I don't think it's so much, about 4 years since it recently came out, and it's going good. I like it. It's an easy way to save time and so on, especially when you're on the go or you're coming from work tired. So air fryer is a good thing to have. They have the instant pot as well that you can get $39. They have this one for, and they say you have more ways to save, but you can always check out that. They have this Cuisinart kitchen mixer, $249. They have this coffee maker, $89. That's a Keurig Slim. They have the Gourmet 9-quart air fryer as well. They have the Power XL. They have the Keurig single coffee, $139. They have this 11-piece pot set. So as you can see, they have some great deals. So going over the flyer section now, they have this flyer that I saw online where you can get 65-inch 4K TV starting at $299. They have mixers as well. They have Samsung for $569, LG $399. They have 70-inch for $649 as well. So if you're looking for TV, you can get that at Target. They have Samsung TV 65-inch. They have the LG $1,099. They have projectors as well. So these are some deals that they are having now. Pot set $89.99. Air fryer $79, instant pot $59, $99. So them have some good stuff here. Laptop starting at $579. They have game controls. So as I said, these are great gifts you can start purchasing. $49.99 for a pot set. You can get other baking stuff, roaster pan, $9.99. So wow, they have children toys, 30% off, and they have for $49.99. So start purchasing these gifts for the children. These are great deals going on. You can wait. Let me know down in the comment what are the items that you will purchase for any loved one, or what you think is the best deal that stands out. They have $10 items here like these waffle maker, toaster, $15 for knife set. They have some good stuff here. They have Ninja instant pots, $109. Toasters, vacuums. They have a lot of vacuums here. They have $59 vacuum, $119, $169, $249. So you can get different vacuums. They have these for $3.99. They have the 99, some for $99. So if you're looking for vacuums, you can get your vacuums at Target as well. Remember to check the reviews, see what others think about these stuff. I cannot really give much details on vacuums. They have these throw blankets here, and they have other stuff. Sunbeam integrated eating pad, $20. And they have other massaging stuff for $30. You can get your $15 and under for women jeans and tees and sweater. So in the clothing section, they have stuff. And closing it off, they have laundry detergents as well, $9.99. You can get your Tide for $11.99. So these are just a few stuff that Target have. I will share other stores. Thank you again for watching and staying to the end of this video. Remember, I share all things home related. It's your girl Renee here again. Please leave a comment down below. Thank you again.